Right now I'm watching. It's Judy time. Oh, it's Judy's life. Hi guys. Good morning again. I will try to open this for my little pets that they can see, because he love to watch outside. So here, to start doing my sit up, guys. Lunch time, and this is what I'm having: rice and chayote and the leftover beef roast. This is my, let's eat. Let's eat. It's time for lunch. Chayote is good. Hi guys, I've been running and this is my attire. I just came home just to get something to drink, so I'll be back out soon. It's so tiring. It's nice, it's chilly outside, but this is what I'm like, because you know it's wet. Good morning again, guys. As usual, we're in the car. We just went. Where did we went, hon? Trader Joe's. No, the first is Pitco, then Trader Joe's. We're just done Trader Joe's. Now we're going to pick up something from Walgreens. I'm looking for something that I can use. Traffic, but we're not gonna stay long at Walgreens because we have frozen stuff in the car, and it's not good if we get unfrozen. Oh, there is, but it's small one.
Not as small as you think. This used to be a Blockbuster video store.
Oh, really?
So it's pretty fucking big, if I remember. It goes all the way back. You'll see the parking lots back there.
Okay. We go this way or the other way?
What do you mean? This way and then in.
Where is the entrance?
In the front. Like you parking lots in the back.
Okay.
There's a Christmas tree shop in the back on the side too.
Christmas shopping?
Christmas tree shop. I don't know what they sell during the summer. They're a little specialty shop. Overpriced, under quality.
Overpriced, under quality, huh? Why you been there?
Yeah. I like little stores. Sometimes they get little novelty things that you can't find anywhere in the world. But
why it smells like poop? The wind smells funny.
Poop myself.
Oh, this car is marching. Are you kidding me, lady? Drive properly.
I got home in time. It took her to get past that light. Oh, they took over the Christmas tree shop and everything. They took everything.
Oh, it's big.
I told you, honey.
It's big.
Yeah,
it's a new Walgreens.
I guess the landlord threw out the Christmas trees. They weren't making any money on it. And the Walgreens took over everything.
Walgreens is
because
big.
this back piece was a little Christmas tree store. So now you can walk into the back. It used to be you had to walk around the front.
Okay, we're here.
Wait, this is no parking anytime?
No parking anytime.
That's for this area that is like stupid.
Okay, put up. Right. Looking for stuff. I'm looking for a hair color. I'll try to color my hair. Let's see. Let's see if I can find. Oh, that one I'm looking. Yeah. lot of goodness here. Let's see. Oh no. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's here. This is overlooking. Did you have it? That over there.
This lilac is in the same one though.
Which one? No, that's not that one.
No.
That one? No. This one, oh. The indigo one. That's the one we have. Yeah, that's the one. And the wood something.
That's it, sandalwood. You just said no.
Okay, get that. Can we try the midnight garden?
No, we're okay.
You good? Okay.
Well,
No. I smell cigarette though.
that's me.
Oh, that smells good. It's flowery.
You want that?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's nice over here. They have a lot of nice stuff. Oh, maybe we can get that. How much is it? Kabuki gosh. What is this noise? Wait. We're done. We just came out from Walgreens and we're on the way home. We'll just go this way, hon.
I am going that way, huh?
Palmer. Hello, we're home. And we got everything. Not really everything. We still have to go back something. And my husband making me some what is this? What kind of burgers? This, did you see this, guys?
Walmart.
Huh?
Walmart patties.
Wall Park beef and onion. It's very good. He said that it's good. Now it's my first time to try it.
You'll find out.
And let's see. First bite. And I'll tell you. Thanks, hon.
Right.
Right. Right.
That is it, right? It's alright.
So right. What is
What?
it?
So right.
So right. So right. Mmm. Mmm. It's very tasty. You guys, I should. Where did you get this on? From Stop and Shop?
Stop and Shop, finally.
Perfect. Yum yum.
What they're trying.
You know what lipstick I use, guys? This is a good lipstick. It's a, what is that? L'Oreal. I'll show you. I'll show you. Because even if you start eating, the lipstick still there. And even if you keep licking, this is what I use with my lips right now. The L'Oreal Paris 101 Rose Melody. Look, I'm eating, but still there.
You want something to drink, huh?
No, I have water, thank you. He swallowed the whole burger thing, and he do like it. I think the big burger is in here. And
the sausage, tuna fish.
Yeah.
Look, he likes it. So it's like licking.
Yeah.
The flavor is still there.
Yeah. We love our cats. Look at it, look at it. Oh, we're just relaxing, waiting for my mother-in-law to get out from dialysis, and we're going to pick her up later. We're watching just nothing. It's just a Price is Right. Price is Right. Channel 2. Drew Carey.
What was the last episode of Game of Thrones you watched?
Hi guys. My husband got me something that I really wanted. This is the Infinity Pro Connier instant heat roller. And oh, there is a bonus. Thanks, son. frogs. She loved that. And what else we need?
Cat treats.
I just get cat treats from the Pitco.
Yeah, you got a bag for upstairs. You have none for downstairs.
Yeah, the Pitco, they don't have the big one. Big bag.
They do. You gotta look down. It's all in the bottom shelf.
In Pitco, they don't have. I just look.
There's no big bags or anything.
Huh?
No big bags or anything. You didn't look. They may not have had that one in a big bag, but they definitely have big bags, but they're not. They're like separate. It's not like.
What else? That's it, really. We're going back to go shopping because we went to Trader
We didn't spend
Joe's.
enough money yet today.
Huh?
Because we haven't spent enough money yet today.
Yeah, it's crazy shit. We spent so much already this morning, so now we keep going and spend more like we have a lot of money. Well, we went to Trader Joe's to go shopping and we get what we need over there, the frozen stuff that we need, we like. And they don't have a jumbo egg. They don't have some stuff that we need. So we decided to go back to Stop and Shop to pick up some. So yeah, we're on the way to Stop and Shop.
Shit and piss.
Shit and piss. Shit and peas. Stop and Shop. No, he's ignoring you. She's ignoring you. We're heading. Today is a busy day. We're running around like cray.
Like somebody took a hammer and just like bang, 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 bang. Look at that. She must have hit. It's like every time she parks, she must keep going until she hits. Then she knows she's good.
We've been running around. Now we're heading to my husband's appointment. He has an appointment from
Sad part for every one of those marks.
what is that, honey? Your appointment.
Kinesiologist.
Kinesiologist. What the heck does that mean? Kini. Kini, mao kini.
And they do brain core therapy. They've been looking. They still can't find my brain. Hard to fix something they can't find it.
It's hard to find your brain because your head is 75 pounds.
71.8.
So 75 pounds. His head is big. So the brain is hiding from somewhere behind his ear.
Big coconut. Drill a hole in it and drink the milk.
It's just funny. Really, guys, it's serious. My husband is need to